It's finally here. Your daughter's first period. And she's not sure how to feel about it. But you're prepared to make this moment extra special. The first period kit from Ruby Love makes periods less awkward and more manageable. It has everything a girl needs to handle Aunt Flo, practice good hygiene, and be worry-free. It also includes trendy gifts she'll love. Each of our keepsake boxes includes a pair of period-proof underwear with 3 layers of protection against front, side, and back leaks. No tampon required. You'll also find a book of frequently asked period questions, a discreet carrying case for pads and undies, a grow-up bracelet, bath products, and more. Help her feel confident, loved, and happy to grow up with the Ruby Love First Period Kit.
Thanks, Dad.